What's going on everyone? My name is Dixon and welcome to theDapperVault. If you're new to this channel, we talk about men's fashion and grooming tips and learning how to dress our best life. So this place might look a little familiar. It's because it is. I actually did a video on Whisky previously with Ethan from Call to the Bar. So if you haven't seen that video, be sure to check it out. I'll leave a link in the description below. Please welcome Ethan.
Hi guys, it's Ethan from Call to the Bar again. In today's video, we're making whiskey cocktails.
Let's go! So Ethan, what do we have in front of us?
Alright, so we're having a Rob Roy. You may have heard of the Manhattan.
Yeah, definitely.
This is basically similar to the Manhattan, but Manhattan, they use bourbon or rye whiskey.
Okay.
Whereas in a Rob Roy, you're using exclusively Scotch whiskey. Okay, so shall we have a taste?
Definitely, man. Cheers.
So very smooth, it's very velvety, you know, you get the balance between the booziness of the whiskey as well as the sweetness of the sweet vermouth.
It's pretty addictive, man. Very boozy and not too sweet, just nice, I believe, in comparison to other cocktails that I've had in the past.
Yeah, I think this is quite an easy cocktail to have, especially, you know, when there's the cherry soaking in it, you get the cherry flavors after the cherry's been soaking for a while, you know. I really love this cocktail. It's definitely something that I've learned to love more and more every single time I drink it.
Awesome, man.
Yeah. Okay guys, so we've been filming for 5 hours, not gonna lie, I'm a little buzzed. And we have Dixon's favorite one here, the whiskey sour.
I've been waiting for this drink since the morning, so let's go.
Cheers.
Just the way I imagined it.
It's velvety, it's creamy, you know, it's everything you want in a whiskey sour.
Incredibly velvety this time around. Man, honestly the first time I had a cocktail with egg whites, it really scared me for a bit, but you've come to like it a lot.
Yeah, it really gives a really creamy texture which balances with the sourness of the cocktails. You know, the whiskey sour is a sour cocktail, but it leaves a smile on your face.
Definitely, man. Like the lemon juice really gives that refreshing hit as well, right?
Yeah.
And the sweetness, where's that sweetness coming from?
It's the sugar syrup, bro. Yeah.
The sugar syrup.
Yeah.
Let me know down in the comments, guys, if you want to see more of Ethan on my channel.
Like and subscribe!
So Ethan, what's the last cocktail we have on today's menu?
Alright, so we have one that is one of the most common whiskey cocktails out there, is the Old Fashioned.
I mean, there's going to be a reason why they call it the Old Fashioned.
Okay, so traditionally when people first started making cocktails, what they did was they had spirit as the base and they basically added a little bit of sugar syrup and a little bit of bitters, and that's it. So that's why it's called the Old Fashioned.
That's pretty cool. I mean, I've heard people saying that the Old Fashioned, it tastes so great that it's still popular in today's age.
Yeah, I mean, it definitely transcends different generations, different times. But obviously the way that you've prepared the cocktail has changed over recent years. The more traditional way of preparing this cocktail is using a sugar cube, but we've used the sugar syrup today.
Alright, shall we? Cheers, man.
Cheers. Simple but good. In this one, the spirit really shines, right? So you're just using the sugar syrup to add a little bit of balance in the cocktail, as well as the bitters. The bitters really just ties everything together.
You can really taste the whiskey on this one. Not too sweet compared to the first two cocktails that we had, but yeah, it's a very simple cocktail.
Yeah, if you like drinking whiskey neat, this is definitely a cocktail for you.
Yeah, I think if you can't have whiskey on the rocks or neat, then definitely try the Old Fashioned. The flavors of the whiskey is still in the cocktail itself, and yeah, you can definitely try it. Alright, so just a quick recap. We had the Rob Roy, the Whiskey Sour, and the Old Fashioned. So Ethan, which one is your favorite for tonight?
I have to say, after having it side by side, you can't go wrong with a good Old Fashioned.
No doubt about that, but is there a reason why you like the Old Fashioned?
Well, you know, the Old Fashioned is the traditional way of making a cocktail. It's the simplest, purest form, and you can really taste the spirit, and the spirit really shines from it, and I really love it.
That's true. For me, I mean, you already know the answer, but it's gonna be the Whiskey Sour. The velvety taste on the cocktail itself, and the refreshing taste of the lemon, man, it's just unbeatable. So if you guys haven't tried these three cocktails, definitely try it in a bar, or yeah, just make it at home. It's a simple way to enjoy your liquor. So that's it everyone for today's video, and special thanks to Ethan for joining me in today's video. And this video is a second part of a two-part series, so if you guys haven't seen that, I'll leave in the description below.
Thanks so much for having me. I really enjoyed this whole project, and thank you for inviting me and including me in this project. I had a blast.
Definitely had a blast. We took some time to make the B-roll, but it's definitely worth it. Special shout out to Darren from Define Creator for helping us shoot this video. If you guys like this video, be sure to smash that like button, and if you're not subscribed, definitely do so. And I'll see you guys in the next video. As always, stay dapper.